In the early 1900s, brothers Luis and Otto SEEKATZ constructed the SEEKATZ Opera House on San Antonio Street on what was then the site of their family's homestead. SEEKATZ Opera House played host to the many and varying forms of traveling entertainment at the time, including opera. Due to the popularity of these events, the SEEKATZ Opera House quickly became the center of entertainment and social activity in New Braunfels. For operas and theater productions, and later motion pictures, seating took place on the main floor while the balconies were packed with spectators, and food and beverage were served from the dining room and kitchen housed in the basement. Due to its beauty and spaciousness, the SEEKATZ Opera House also thrived with local events throughout the year, including many 4th of July celebrations, New Year's Eve balls, Kindermasken dances, and New Braunfels' 75th anniversary celebration concerts in 1920. Later, the Candy Kitchen, a popular place for young people to gather, was moved into the lobby bar of the Opera House and sold to the operator there in 1937. SEEKATZ Opera House remained the premier event, meeting, and production center in New Braunfels until it was tragically destroyed by fire on January 21st, 1941. SEEKATZ was later rebuilt, and in 2004 it underwent its first full renovation since its reconstruction after the 1941 fire. Today, SEEKATZ Opera House is as beautiful as ever.